Alright guys, I'm just gonna start off the video and just give it to you straight. Affiliate marketing is not going to be worth it for most people in 2020 and beyond. And in this video, I'm gonna describe the exact person that affiliate marketing is not for, and I'm gonna tell you who affiliate marketing is for. And so hopefully by the end of this video, if it's not for you, hopefully I can save you the time, the energy, the hassle, the headache. And if it is for you, then hopefully I can guide you in the right path, in the right direction on the next steps and on getting started the right way that's going to be scalable, it's going to be future-proof for 2020 and beyond. All right, listen guys, so I'm just gonna give it to you guys straight. It's not going to be viable for most people. This question comes up every year. Is affiliate marketing dead? Is affiliate marketing oversaturated? Is affiliate marketing still worth it? So the first thing I wanna say is that for most previous years, I probably would have just given you the same answer that any product can become an affiliate product, and there's millions of affiliate programs, and the biggest companies in the world have affiliate programs. We're talking about Google, we're talking about Amazon, we're talking about Apple, all have affiliate programs, referral programs, Allbirds shoes, which are my latest obsession. Also Duluth Trading boxers, which I'm wearing right now and I'm not gonna show you. So anyone who can connect the dots can see there's a lot of potential with this business model. Now the problem that I see is that in 2020 specifically and beyond, affiliate marketing is just not viable for most people that I see online and that I come into contact with. And let me tell you why. There is a window open right now of opportunity for affiliate marketing. The competition is still not to that level where it's impossible for someone to succeed. And to be honest with you, I don't think it's gonna be open much longer. I've worked with people who ended up making 5 figures from affiliate marketing, even $1,000 in a single day, but they started a year or two ago. But still, they were able to make it happen, and they're making it happen right now. See, I don't have a crystal ball, so I can't predict these things. But if I look at the trends year after year after year, I'm really starting to feel that the competition is starting to ramp up. So if you're not starting and building now, 2 years, 3 years down the line, I don't know why I can tell you. To be honest, it just doesn't look good for someone who is going to start, in the future, because honestly, the competition by then may have gotten so smart and so brutal that this window may be closed. Now let me tell you about the type of person that affiliate marketing is not for, which is most people. Affiliate marketing is not for people with average mindsets and who are looking for shortcuts. Every single day I get questions that are essentially just asking if they can take a shortcut. I get people who ask, do I need to have a website? Can I just use a Twitter account? Can I just use an Instagram account? Can I just use a Facebook page? Guys, if you're looking for shortcuts, please just quit right now and stop watching this video. I will never preach about taking the easy way. For me, it's the easy way, and then there's the right way. The right way is always the hard way. If you're someone who's asking, hey, why do I need to make a website? Can't I just use a free Instagram page? Affiliate programs and networks are gonna ask you, what's your website? So when I say, here's how to build a website for less than $3 a month, because I've done it all sorts of different ways, because if you can't get past that part of investing $3 a month, then starting a business is not right for you at this time, at least not an affiliate marketing business, and at least not the method that I preach. I've always preached long-term. I've always preached sustainable, consistent results. You guys can check my Facebook group. I post my earnings basically every week and every few days in my Facebook group. Actually, this morning, one of my students earned almost $600 in a single day. Shout out to Mike. What I teach, and I teach my students, and I personally do myself, is I build businesses. I'm not just an affiliate marketer. When I think about that term, it just kind of turns me off, because I think of those people as kind of scammy salesmen that just promote automated done-for-you software that they got off ClickBank or something. Like, I never ever in my life would promote something like that. I never have. So when I think about affiliate marketing, the problem is I think that term, it has a lot of stigma. I'm the entrepreneur who builds businesses, and these businesses happen to generate income from a business model known as affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing may not even be your primary source of income. It could be a secondary, third source of income. So people need to get more open-minded to the idea that affiliate marketing is everywhere. And affiliate marketing, it's not just Amazon Associates. And just speaking about Amazon Associates, some people are gonna say Amazon Associates is totally not worth it, but I literally have a student and a member in my passive income lifestyle program who's generating over $1,000 a month from Amazon Associates, and in his words, he's not even trying. The problem is there's so many people online sharing opinions, and they're in no position or place to be saying like, hey,
Amazon Associates doesn't work. It didn't work for me.
I mean, yeah, it didn't work for you, but it may work for the next person. So for you to deny someone of an opportunity through your opinion and your opinion is not fact. That's something that I want to just clear up the misinformation out there. I just want to show people the truth. So that's why it's so important to share your knowledge and to share these ideas, because you never know when someone can take an idea and have it grow into something amazing. So the truth is about competition. The competition is starting to get pretty good, guys. I'm not gonna lie to you. I've always made it a priority to be as transparent and as honest as possible. And the competition today is tougher than the competition when I started back, 8 years ago. My first commission was 6 years ago, back in 2014. And the competition is definitely tougher today, just mathematically. I mean, year after year after year, you're getting more and more and more people who are jumping into the ring and who are joining and who are competing with each other. And the more people there are in the pool or the ring, the less there is to go around. Now, the thing that I do have to say is most people are lazy. Most people are looking for shortcuts. Most people don't even want to make a website. So if you can just do better than these guys right here, you're already past the 50th percentile. You're already better than average. So the mindset that I like to share with my students is we just need to do one step better than the next person. So what I mean by that is that every step that you do to separate your business, give it a competitive advantage. If other people don't have a website, you make a website. If everyone has a website, you have a website and you have a YouTube channel. If everyone has a website and a YouTube channel, you have a website, a YouTube channel, and email list. So it goes on and on and on. And I mean, guys, the traffic sources and channels and social media platforms that you could tap into, and you could make your own competitive advantage, or you can just use all of them and leave no stone unturned. It's a blue ocean. There's so much left out there that it's impossible for one single person to just dominate everything. I'm starting to see that, competition is starting to get pretty decent these days, but still, I've worked with people who I've seen grow, from the ground up and scale from zero to over $1,000 a day with affiliate marketing, literally within less than a year. So if they can do it, then you can do it. So who is affiliate marketing for? If any of this stuff that I've talked about doesn't completely scare you off, and maybe you're even excited or inspired to build something of your own, then affiliate marketing definitely is still a beautiful opportunity that, today I'm still getting results years later. My students are getting results. I just posted this morning, one of my students earning almost $600 in a single day from affiliate marketing. So yes, it is still very much a real opportunity. So I think the closing thought that I want to leave you guys with is this idea of building real assets. I'm talking about when you have a website, you're getting 20,000 monthly visits, you're generating, let's say, 4,000 a month in revenue. That's a real business. I almost want to move away from affiliate marketer to just entrepreneur. Affiliate marketing is only a business model. So we can't get boxed into this idea that, if you're an affiliate marketer, you only do affiliate marketing, and it helps to have an open mind when it comes to affiliate marketing. Be able to build something, but have a humble perspective is gonna help you. Ego only slows you down. When you have an ego of,
oh, I'm too good for that, or, oh yeah, I already know how to do Facebook ads. I already know how to do SEO. I don't need to learn that.
The more that you act like that and have that ego, it's gonna prevent you from growing. And if you want your business to grow, you have to grow at a personal level. All right, guys, well, that wraps up today's video. If you enjoyed it, hit the thumbs up button, comment below letting me know. I love reading all my comments. And guys, I read a comment the other day and I was overthinking getting back into YouTube. It was just one small comment, but he was telling me that these videos help him out so much. And me reading that comment, it just reminded me, I'm grateful for this platform that I've built up, and I'm grateful that so many people look to me for advice when it comes to the business model of affiliate marketing and consider me a thought leader. And I'm so grateful, and I'm trying to use this platform responsibly. So that's why I'm never gonna sugarcoat, and I'm never gonna say, hey, affiliate marketing is for everybody. Everybody can succeed. Like, that's not the truth, okay? Affiliate marketing is for a certain type of person who's willing to do the hard work. I just wanna say I'm thankful for these messages, and I'm looking forward to making more content coming back hot. I got another video coming soon where obviously I'm talking about affiliate marketing, but I'm gonna be sharing more of my journey, showing over $1 million in commissions. Share that with you guys, because I haven't really been sharing earnings or nothing like that, at least on my YouTube. I've been doing it on my Facebook group, so join the Facebook group below. I just know that that's gonna inspire some of you, and I can't wait to share more of my journey with you guys. Last thing, basically, if you want to learn how to start affiliate marketing, and I was talking about creating a website for less than $3 a month, which is that's the cheapest way to get in for the best value, then make sure to check out my free guide below via the first link in the description, or you can visit odiproductions.com/start. And there's also options there if you're interested in mentorship. Again, posted the results from one of my students this morning, and I've gotten so many great feedback and reviews from students in my passive income lifestyle program and Affiliate Evolution, that if you're interested in learning about those, that will also be linked in the description below. You can also just comment if you have any questions about that. But basically that wraps up today's video. I hope you guys have a great one. I'll catch you guys on the next video. Peace.